Hold up, you gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. I've tried a bunch of products like this before, but this one hits different. It's efficient, simple, and feels next level compared to others. If you've seen this around, it's for a reason. Check the link below to see why it's trending.
Hold on, this one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. I tried it because everyone kept talking about it, and wow, it actually lives up to the hype. It's simple, practical, and feels like something twice its price. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Okay, real quick. This one's trending hard, and I totally get why. This product's everywhere right now, and it deserves the attention. Smooth performance, clean design, and the price? Honestly, a total steal. If you're curious, check the link in the description. You'll see why everyone's talking about it.
Yo, listen, this thing's going viral for a reason. I didn't think it'd be this good, but the moment I used it, I got it. It's got that perfect mix of style and function, and no wonder it's all over the internet. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.